Yeah, champion! Rakista.
Low. Sound. Low.
Singer. Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Minamahal kita pagkat nasa iyo na ang lahat. Pati ang puso ko. Computer addict.
First blood. Double kill. Killing spree.
Fitness conscious. Studios. What is matter? Anything that, whatever. Yes. What is the capital of Argentina? Yes. I have many assignments, you know. The beach, blues, instrument, anything. Yes. Artista. Inday, ito na ang pansit. Inday, ito ang favorite mo. Pinabili mo sa akin. Inday, bakit ka nawala? Inday. Basta na grabe ako. Basta na. Thank you. I can expect this. I'm so speechless. Painter. Pag pinaghalo natin ang green at ang yellow, ang kakalabasan is yellow-green. Okay? And then, pipintura na natin siya. Can't you see? It's green. Model. O simpleng mamamayan. O maging sino ka man. Imbitado ka sa Youth Inter-Fellowship sa March 1, 2013, 5 o'clock p.m. sa Potter's House Christian Fellowship, ground floor, Sunnybrook 1. Kasama natin ang Potter's House Christian Fellowship, Kingdom of God Christian Ministries, Living Word Global Ministries, General Trias Chapter, Come to Jesus Church, and Journey Church Philippines, Cavite. See you there. Wait, there's more. Meron tayong malaking